Guys, nabalitaan nyo ba? Meron daw celebration sa 24th ng Disyembre.
Wow!
May magaganap. Opo, isang malaking celebration po ito. So huwag niyo po kakalimutan, mga kaibigan. Opo, gusto niyo malaman kung sino yun. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Yung Papa Boss na Haga Boss. Walang iba kundi ang Jessie Blue TV. Ngayon, birthday po niya sa 24th ng December. Huwag niyo pong kakaligtaan. Hi guys, this is Charles Munoz Official at bumabati at maligayang karawan sa ating mahal na kaibigan si Jessie Blue TV sa kanyang karawan. Bro, happy birthday! Sana ay pagpatuloy natin ang mga magandang adikain dito sa live stream sa YouTube. Isa ka sa isang pinaka the best na host ng live stream, music live stream dito sa YouTube. At sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa iyong channel, sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan, binabati ka namin ng maligayang kaarawan. Happy birthday, bro! Wishing you all the best. So please don't forget po sa 21st and 24 ng December. Bro, happy birthday. God bless. Good health and more blessings. More money. The more you give. Okay, happy birthday. Ang kulit. Hi, happy birthday.
Hello, Sir Jessie Blue. Today is your big day. So I just wanted to say happy birthday to you. And you are not just an amazing YouTube live stream host, but you are also a true connector, bringing all of us together with your fun ideas, great energy, and you have that signature creativity in you that we all admire. So thank you so much for being such an inspiration, not only to your viewers, but to all of us who get to know you. And you always make your live stream like a party. So today, it is your turn to be celebrated. So also, I wanted to wish you more amazing ideas to come, and looking forward for more epic stream with you. And of course, good health, happiness, and may you have everything that you wanted. So happy birthday again. And before I end my video greetings, meron akong hinandang baon para sa'yo. Ayun, dahil babawi ako dahil hindi ako makaka-party dyan sa iyong Grand LS. So, may baon na lang ako para sa'yo. So, here we go! Knock, knock! Who is there? Jessie Blue. Jessie Blue who? Hey, Jessie Blue! Don't be so sad. Take a live stream and make it better. Remember to bring your creative flair to make us all come all together. Happy birthday! Mwah.
Happy birthday to you, shining star, may your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you.
Happy birthday, Sir Jessie. God bless. Ingat po palagi. Kilu TV here.
Hello, Kuya Jessie. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. And this is our yours, MC Smile, the Hugot with the smile. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Kuya Jessie.
Hello guys, mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. Ayan, gusto ko lang po sanang batiin ang aking napakagwapong kaibigan, ang nag-iisang GC Blue TV. Brother, happy birthday sa iyo at sabi nga nila, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ang wish ko lang po sa iyo, brother, is bigyan po kayo ng malusog na pangatawan. Kasi yun lang talaga ang ating puhunan po para sa makamit natin ating mga pangarap. So yun po talaga ang the best po na wish ko sa iyo, na good health. And thank you so much for being one of your friend. Alam ko na pala kaibigan ka talaga. Lalong-lalong na sa iyong suporta sa ating Team Saudi family. Thank you so much, brother. And God bless po sa iyo. At sana looking forward po na makita-kita tayo muli. Thank you, bro. Enjoy your day. I love you, bro.
Happy birthday to our loving mentor, a kind soul, and someone we always admire and really look up to, Sir Jesse Blue. We wish you a year full of happiness, and I pray for your good health and more success on your future endeavor. Always remember that you are dearly loved by your Saudi team, and we will be always here to support you all the way, sir. Sideways, forward, backwards, ups and down. We will be here to support you. Again, sir, happy birthday and God bless you.
Yo, what's up, bro? Jesse Blue. This is U-Trend 2.0. I just want to say happy birthday to you. And I wish you all the best. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Mabilisan lang to, bro. Once again, happy birthday to you. Go, go, go!
Hi everyone, this is Asmina Sako from the SNU family. We are here to send greetings to Jesse Blue TV, one of the admin guys. He's really a good friend and gusto ko lang siyang batiin ng happy birthday to you, Jesse Blue. Enjoy your day. We love you. Ayan. Stay handsome all the time. Thumbs up. Always for you. Bye everyone. Sarah.
Para sa aming napakabait, gwapo na admin sa Team Saudi at napakahaba ng pasensya. Kaya pala kasi kapanganakan mo pala ang ating Panginoong Hesus. At saka napansin ko at nalaman ko, para ka palang si Michael Bublé. Tama ba yung prosesyon? Basta ganun yan eh. May hawak ng mga singers. Sana mananalo yung grupo mo. Para kang si Sofronio. Sofronio. At hindi na ako magpaligoy-ligoy. Happy birthday. Nawa ang Panginoong Diyos ay bibigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay, masaya, perfect health, at saka with prosperity and abundance. Of course, full of blessings. At lagi kang maintain mo lang yung kabaitan mo, haba ng pasensya. Kaya hindi ako tataka na marami ka talagang admirers. Maraming nagsunod-sunod sa'yo. Ang dami nga. Sana pamigay mo sa akin ng iba. No, joke only ha. So once again, happy birthday and may God bless you, Boss JC Blue.
Blessed birthday BSF at thank you sa pagsama ng second season sa SNU At kahit pa buhol-buhol tayo nagpapatawa dyan, humuhugot, kinakagat pa rin ng madlang people sa baba. At napapasaya ko rin naman yung mga tao sa taas. So, salamat sa pagiging SNU Family Season 2. Basta good health and long life at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ang wish ko lang, makasama mo rin yung pamilya mo na maging mag-spend ka ng Christmas sa Pilipinas. So, sarap kasi yung makasama mo sa buhay. So, yun ang wish ko at sana maging success lahat yung mga pinapangarap sa buhay. So, sa YT naman, tagumpay ka naman. So, lahat naman magiging bet ka at saka maraming nagmamahal sa iyo at madami pang nagmamahal sa iyo at mga kapamilya. So, happy blessed birthday and thank you sa lahat, BSF, and nandito lang kami nagsusupport sa iyo. We love you. Bye! Thank you for everything.